I know the other side. Baliktad. You sing again. When I grow up, I want to be a doctor too. Say me dance.
When I wake up too, I want to be a
Doctor too.
Like
Get your black shoes. Like me and you. And Barney too.
No.
The color of the balloon I love is red. Come.
I want some red too.
Oh, that's the world to you.
Like you.
Ano ba naman yan?
I want to be a doctor. I'm not scared of the baby mom. And then I want to be a doctor.
Ay, ano ko yung noses?
I'm not scared of the spider. I'm not scared of the spider.
Teka, may booger anak eh. Ito yan pag nag-dry yan. Ano na yan? Okay, next. Yung choose mo, wrong one. Sing, continue. That's it yan? Oh. And how about your story about the rainbow? Your song about the rainbow? Let's sing about the tomorrow. Tomorrow, fetch a $1 then tomorrow, there'll be sun. The chorus na. Tomorrow, louder. Ay nako, ganyan daw. Tito, it doesn't Don't buy Zyle. Don't buy Zyle. Sige, you sing. You sing tomorrow.
No!
Which one?
I would grab my favorite song.
Kaya nga. Sige, you sing it. You sing it. Ready? Ready? Don't be in hand. Hurt me, brother. Ay, nako, Tito. Magpadala ka nga ng kiwi. Hindi ko na na-shine yung shoes ni sa kuya. Looks not, doesn't look
Ay,
like
baho!
anymore.
Baho?
Why?
Yung early baby.
I know. Take a bath siya later eh. Anak, let's so... Oh, now you can eat. Come here. Wash ko si baby. Baho, anak. Can you please stay there outside? Kaya nga, while eating, read tayo ng book. You give content to baby Lana. Can you just stay there inside? Oh, why?
Banana.
Number 1. Read.
Mami, ano, sando.
Yeah, we don't have sando. Di pa naglabas si Yaya. Come. Number 1, read.
Dada ang
Nang.
ng da.
Next.
2.
2.
Now you read past baby.
No, dada ng dada. It means stalk na stalk. Always stalking. Number 2.
Kada
2 sa
sa ulo ang
bunga.
bunga.
No, NG is sa in Filipino. Sa bulo ng
Bunga.
bunga. 3. Number 3.
Kaba.
Letter D yan.
Kada ang uri.
4. Like that. Lagot tayo ka Lola, you were eating chichirya in the morning. Yeah. And also baby. 4. Ba?
Pa de ikaw ng
Ay?
ang
Ang na
ili.
Next.
You read.
Bale, ikaw ang na pili. Number 5. 5. Why?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, number 5. Lu,
Lu, no, ng,
na,
ang, alimasag. Sag.
again.
Luno na ang alimasag.
Alimasag. Alimasag is a crab.
Crab.
Yeah. 6.
What did you go by?
Come on.
Bakada ang
What you want more? Ang nag.
Arala.
May end pa rin.
Aralan.
Oh. Abakada ang pinag-arala. It means to study ABC. 7.
Ada. 1.
Yes. ABC, abakada. In Filipino, abakada. Verse 7.
In English,
ABC alphabet. 7. Hurry.
7 na. Is ang laba da.
Oh, it means clean ang clothes. 8. Tito, padala ka ulit kulong na. Yung mabango ha.
Ang
De. No. Ano ba? De. Malinis ang
dede.
dede or milk or bottle. Okay, now we go to English. Ano si Kuya? Ay, you will bring that to school? Later mo na, pag uwi mo, meron pang food. Sige na, let's go. Bye-bye, go to school na siya.